Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on this beautiful serpentine spiral, or what I'm calling the serpentine spiral. You may have seen it before. I am just seeing it and kind of put my own twist on it with the size of beads that I like to use on this. So this is really cool. I mean, look at that. This is made with, 4mm rondelles, 4mm bicones, and another 4mm rondelles with all 11 OC beads. So these are really pretty. Of course, we have the rainbow one here. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me just put them on together here. See what we got. This is pretty. A nice fall shade here. And we got another one here. And that's. Look how gorgeous they are. They are so pretty. These are really quick to make. Again, it's just one stitch, kind of like the Russian spiral all the way around. And I like in the middle, I'll get a close up in a minute, but I like in the middle when I just use all 11 OC beads, kind of looks like a firework going off in there. Really looks really pretty up close. I like that. I like the effect of using all 11 O's. Some people will combine 8 O's with the 11 O's, and I did that. I did that on this, and you can tell the difference. You can tell the difference in between. I really like the look of the 11 O's. Something gets lost in between here when you use the 8O for the main core. Okay, so I'm going to show you. All you need are your choice of 4mm beads and 11 OC beads, which I'm going to be using these here. And my thread is going to be the Fireline, a pound, because you have to go in and out of the C beads quite a bit on this project. And I think that's it. We're going to go ahead and get started. I tried this video so many times, and when I get started doing it, something just happens and it doesn't work out as well as when I do it when I'm not recording. So let's get started here. Oh, another quick tip here. I think it looks better. I mean, this is okay with the magnetic clasp here, but I really think this particular spiral looks better with, a toggle clasp. Of course, it's personal preference, but okay. So let's go ahead and get started. I decided to go with some fall colors here, as you can see, and you can get your color inspiration from anywhere. I got mine from this old illuminated candle here. It's really old. It actually broke, but I don't want to throw it away because it's just so pretty with the colors on here. So that's where I got my fall color inspiration from for my beads. So you can also get it from your closet if you have a pretty blouse or dress with a certain color pattern, anywhere. Like this here, like a little, I have some junk in here, but like a little vase here. Isn't that cute? Color ideas there. Whatever. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. And I'm going to do 3 colors at a time. And there's my first color. So let's see here now. We're going to do a couple of beads out here. We're going to do 5 11 O's, 1 4mm, 1 11L. And let me get this out of the way because I know it's going to be blurry if I don't when I watch it back, and I'll regret it because I'll have to do it all over again. Okay, so this is the only time you'll do this round here. Okay. You're going to slide this all the way down. And remember, leave enough of a tail. I'm just doing a demo here. Leave enough of a tail. I like to leave about half to almost a foot of a thread here for my tail to put on my clasp. Okay, so let's see. So we're gonna do it like this. Okay, and you're gonna go up 4 right here. Just go up through 4. Pull it all the way through. And this is what you should have. Okay, just make sure that's laying on the left. And that's what you have right there. Okay, and now, okay, and that's how that should look. So, going forward, you're going to use 2 11/0s, 1 4mm, 1 11/0. And this is what you're going to be putting on for the rest of the bracelet. This is what you're going to be adding on. So just slide it all the way down. Count 5 down. Count 5 C beads down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go up only through 4. Hold on to it. Pull it through. Okay. And turn it to the left. Make sure you turn that to the left. And don't lose hold of that. Okay. It has to stay on the left. And that's your core that we're working from right in there. That's called our core. Okay. So again, here we go. 2 C beads, 1 4mm, 1 C bead. Slide it all the way down. Count down 5 C beads. Go in through that, up through that 5th C bead, and only up through 4. Pull it all the way through. Okay, turn it to the left. And you can see your spiral is forming here. Okay, you can see it's forming. So, and now I'm going to go to my next color. You can do your color in any order that you want. I'm going to do this. Get my 3 C beads. So 2 C beads, 1 4mm. That's not a good 4mm. 1 4mm and 1 C bead. Slide that all the way down. Okay. It's a little tricky to hold on to in the beginning. Count down your 5 C beads. Go up through that 5th C bead and up through only 4. Okay. Pull it all the way through, turn it to the left. You can see we're forming that spiral here. I'll do 2 more of these. Slide it down. Count 5 C beads down. Go up through that 5th C bead and only up and out through 4. Pull that all the way through. Come on. And slide that over to the left. Okay. This is what we have so far. We're getting our spiral. Okay. I'll do one more. And then you're on your own. 2 C beads, 1 4mm, 1 C bead. Slide it all the way down. Count 5 down. Go up that 5th one. Only up and out through 4. Pull it all the way through. And it will naturally form that spiral. See how that's going? That's it. So keep going with that same stitch until you get your desired length. Okay, and come back and I will show you how to put on the clasp. The clasp is super easy to put on. That's why I like this bracelet so much. Okay, and I'm going to finish my bracelet and we will meet back here and I'll show you how to do the clasp. Are you ready to put on your clasp? As you can see, I am here. So I finished my bracelet. I'm just measuring it to make sure it is 7 inches here, so we're good to go. And look how beautiful this fall bracelet turned out to be. So pretty. Okay, I want to get this out of the way. You're going to need about 16 C beads. Let's see here, 4 and 4. So you need 8 excuse me, 8 C beads for each end of the clasp. So I just finished, this is where I finished the bracelet right there. So I'm going to take 4 C beads, put my clasp on there, and add 4 more on. Now you can add more if you need to. This seems to work out fine for me. And just shove it down there. Okay. So it's all attached there. And then basically you're just going to attach it. Just make up your mind where you want to attach the other end here at. So I'm going to go, let me show here. So we're coming out of here. I'm going to go right into here. I should zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so I'll do that again. Our thread's coming out of here. I'm going to go right into here. And basically I'm going to go down this other bicone. Take it down there. Pull it through. Okay. And then what you want to do now, and if you're a beader, you probably already know. Get my thread here. I'm just going to try to weave it in somewhere through here. Take it up and go back around 2 more times to reinforce this. So I'm coming out of that bicone, as you can see right there. I'm going to go into this one. And I think I'm going to just go back up here. Work my way all the way back up and around. You can see it's tightening up there. And I'm just going to work my way all the way back up through the sea beads. Let's see here. Come on. Turn it this way. Make sure your thread isn't caught on anything as you go along. And we go back down here. There you go. We'll go back through this bicone and that 11-0 right there. There you go. Now, we went past there twice. So I'm actually going to go through one more time. Okay, I'm going to go all the way back through there, weave it through one more time just to reinforce that really good. And because I know I can easily get my thread back through there one more time, so I might as well go ahead and do that. And then when I do that, I'll come down here again, and I'll probably make a little half hitch knot, and then just weave it in a little bit, another half hitch knot, and then just cut it off, you know. And that's it. That's how you put your clasp on, and just do the same for the other end. Okay, I'm going to finish my other end here, and this is going to look really, really pretty. So I hope you try this and make yourself one. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and click that thumbs up button. That would help my channel out a great deal. And if you have any ideas that you would like to see me do, it's so pretty, perfect for fall colors. If you like to see me do any particular style jewelry, just put it in the comments below. And that's it, everybody. I appreciate you taking your time to watch. And give this a try. See what you think. It's really quick, really easy. There's my other ones. And again, thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.